Well, good morning from Dynodaze, FN2 Civic that we've done a few videos on before, but today is map day. So we'll get it up on the dyno for its standard power run, and then I'll run through a list of mods that it's got. It's got a lot of aesthetic mods, very subtle, but again, very, very nice. But it has got some power mods, so we'll go through those, like I say, on the dyno, and we'll see what we make today. One of my favourite mods on this car is this Seeker spoiler. You see that? I like that. Now, we sell quite a lot of these, but I think because this is a bronze one, even though it's a bit dirty, it's very, very subtle in the carbon fibre, and I do like it. Yep, so this is one of our many tasks for today, but we shall certainly be making some screaming noises when we hit VTech earlier on the dyno. So yeah, good morning everybody. Okay, so quick rundown of mods. We've got a Pipercross panel filter, we've got some lovely hoses. Performance wise, we've got the Jaspeed 421 manifold with the Decat and an M2 exhaust system. Exactly the same actually is on my own white Civic Fn2. As you can tell, obviously this has got lots of lovely parts on it. All carbon, all lovely, all available at Dynodaze. Have you seen these alloys? They're a little bit dirty, but don't they look sick on an Fn2? Absolutely lovely. Got a Maxton. Oh yes, a bit of a splitter, bit of a front lip. Yeah, so Ecutek software for this one, switchable maps, all the goodness, launch control. We'll talk to you a bit about that a bit later on. But initially, we're going to get it warmed up, and then we're going to get some initial power figures out of her. It's been on the dyno a few times before, and it's always done well. So hopefully today's going to go well. We're going to make that punch in the mid-range that everybody needs. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so initial power up this morning, a couple of runs, get it warmed up, and we have got ourselves 206 brake horsepower, 158 foot-pound of torque. So whilst we might not make staggering peak power, we certainly will transform that mid-range and get a load of oomph. So there's our end result, and as I said, big gains in the mid-range, which is what we expected. It's the modifications that are actually making the majority of the peak power. We made a little bit of peak power. As you can see, wheel horsepower's up by 10, which ain't a bad shout really. So there we go. So we're ending today on just shy of 210 brake, 180 at the wheels, and 160 foot-pound of torque. More to come with more mods. Obviously, next up probably is going to be induction kit. That's going to unlock a bit of power, and also a colder inlet manifold would be great. Well, there's another FN2 in the bag, doing pretty well. Thanks everyone for following the channel, like and subscribe and all that jazz. Make sure you comment on the videos below. There's always hoodies and hats to win and stuff. So yeah, stay safe everyone, and give us a shout if you need anything. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.